class 12 physics chapter number 4 moving charge and a magnetism. So in this lecture we'll discussing about that the magnetic moment. But first of all we are discussing about the magnetic moment. We will discussing the magnetic flux. What is the magnetic flux and why this is related to the Gauss law. So first of all we will discussing about that the magnetic flux. So see here. See here, a magnetic flux. The magnetic flux associated with the magnetic field is defined in a way similar to the electric flux. So consider an area element dA on an arbitrary shaped surface. See here, this is our arbitrary shaped surface are there. The magnetic field is this element B vectors and the dA is the vector that is perpendicular to the surface and has a magnitude equals to the area of dA. See, this is the perpendicular to this phenomena. So it is known as the magnitude equals to the dA is vector that is perpendicular to surface and has a magnitude equals to the area of dA. Now see here the magnetic flux it is equals to the magnetic flux phi b is the phi b it is equals to integration of b into dA. So the unit of the magnetic flux is that the T into meter square Tesla into meter square or WB where WB is that the Webers. Now see here the magnetic flux through a plane 1. See here there are the planes are there and it is making the angle TA. The special case in when a plane of area makes an angle theta with respect to dA is the magnetic flux phi b. It is equals to BA into cos theta. So when cos theta in this case the field of parallel to the plane is phi b. It is so dA here phi b it is equals to 0. Why? It is making the angle is 90 between them. Fill the parallel to the plate. And see here the magnetic flux phi b it is equals to BA cos theta. In this case the field is perpendicular to the plane. So phi it is equals to BA. See here where the b it is making that angle is 0 on the time theta is equals to 0. So theta cos 0 is equals to 1. So phi it is equals to BA. So this is the maximum value of the flux. Now see here how the relate is the Gauss law. The Gauss law in magnetism. Magnetic field do not begin being or end at any point. The magnetic field lines are continuous and form a closed loop. So the number of lines entering a surface equal to the number of lines leaving the surface. So Gauss law in magnetism says the magnetic flux through the any closed surface is always zero. So integration of B into dA closed surface of integration of B into dA is equals to 0. So this is indicate that the isolated magnetic poles have never been detected. Okay, the monopoles never been detected. So perhaps they do not exist. Certain theories do suggest the possible existence of the magnetic monopoles. So now here we are discussing about the magnetic moment. In general, any current loop has a magnetic field and thus has a and magnetic dipole moment. These include atomic level current loop described in some models of the atom. This will help explain why some materials exhibit strong magnetic properties. So see here the magnetic moment classical atom. See here the electron move in a circular orbit. See here this is electron our see here these our electrons are there. It is moving in the circular orbitals. The orbiting electron continues at any continue continuity sorry the orbiting electron consists a tiny current loop. The magnetic moment of electron is associated with the orbital motions. Magnetic loop moment of electron is associated with the orbital moment. See, this is the angular momentum are there, and see here this is the magnetic moment are there. So L and mu are equally per it is a opposite directions are there. Electron has a angular momentum L in one direction and the magnetic moment in the opposite directions are there. So see here this is in this and also in this direction. These opposite directions are there. Now see here the magnetic moment. The model assumes that the electron moves with a constant speed v in circular orbital of radius r travel a distance to pi r in a time intervals t. So the current associated with this orbiting electron is E upon t, where E it is equals to E electron volt upon t it is equals to 2 pi r. So the magnetic moment is mu it is equals to 1 in 1 A, it is equals to 1 by 2 ev into r. Mu it is equals to I into a, where it is equals to also 1 of 1 by 2 evr. So the magnetic moment can also be expressed in terms of angular momentum. Mu it is equals to E upon 2 me into L. Okay, E upon 2 me into L. So see here, this is our mu magnetic moment can be also expressed in terms of the angular momentums. Now see here the magnetic moment and classical atom. The magnetic moment of electron proportional to the orbital angular momentum. So the vector L and mu are in opposite directions because the electron is negatively charged. Okay. Now the quantum physics indicate that the angular momentum is quantized. Okay, angular momentum is quantized. So now the magnetic moment of multiple electrons. In most substances, the magnetic moment of an electron is cancelled by that of another electron orbiting in same direction. So the net result in that magnetic effect produced by the orbital motions of the electron is either zero or very small. Now see here that the mu is equals to E upon to me into L. But now if we are taking that this L into in this phenomena mu upon L, it is equals to E upon to me. So this is known as this is called the gyromagnetic ratio and is constant. Its value is 8.8 into 10 raised to 10 coulomb upon kg. So for in electrons which have been verified by experiments. Okay, it is a verified by experiment. Now see here the fact that even atomic level there is a magnetic moment confirm Ampere's bold hypothesis of atomic magnetic moment. So this is according to the Ampere, this is according to Ampere's bold hypothesis. Okay, would help one to explain the magnetic properties of the material. Can one assign a value to this atomic dipole moment? So the answer is that yes, one can do so within the Bohr model. Bohr hypothesis that the angular moment assume this discrete set of value, namely where see here L it is equals to n h upon 2 pi. So where n it is equals to 1 to it is a natural numbers are there. So 1 2 3 up to n, and h is the constant and name as the Max Planck constants. Okay, these are known as the Planck constant and its value is that 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule per second. So this condition of discrete is called the Bohr quantized conditions. Okay, this condition and is known as the discreteness called the Bohr quantization conditions. So now we shall discuss in this chapter details in chapter number 12. In our aim, there is here is mainly used to calculate the elementary dipole moment. Take the value of n is equals to 1. We have taking that the value is that is E upon 2 pi 4 pi into me into h. So we will get that the mu L minimum is that 9.26 into 9.27 into 10 raised to minus 24 a into meter square, ampere into meter square, where the subscript the mean stand of minimum, this value is called the Bohr magneton. This is known as the Bohr magneton when the value of L is equals to 2 pi nh upon 2 pi. Okay, where L is equals to nh upon 2 pi and n it is equals to 1. On the time we will get that the L mu L it is equals to minimum values are there. So gyromagnetic ratio and also this is known as the Bohr magnetons. So any charge in uniform circular motion would have associated with magnetic moment given by expression of two similar to equations. Okay, so this dipole moment is labeled as the orbital magnetic moment. Hence the subscript the L in mu besides the orbital moment the electron has a intrinsic magnetic moments are there, so which has the same numerical values as given equations of this equations final equations. Okay, this is our final equations. So if it is the moment which is called the spin angular moment, but we has to add that is not as the throw the electron is spinning. The electron is an elementary particle and it does not have an axis to spin around the like top of our earth Nevertheless, it does not passes this intrinsic magnetic moment. The microscope roots the magnetism in iron and other materials can be read back to this intrinsic spin magnetic moment. Now see here the magnetic moment. Okay, the magnetic moment of electron is proportional to the orbital angular moment, and the vector is r and mu it point in the opposite direction because the electron is negatively charged. The quantum physics is indicate that the angular momentum is quantized, and in the most substance the magnetic moment of electron is cancelled by that of another electron orbiting in the same direction. The net result is that magnetic effect produced by the orbital motions of the electron is either zero or very small. Now see here, electron spin. Electron spin, we are discussing about that the last line is that the electron spin. So electron spin have intrinsic property called the spin that also contribute to their magnetic moment. Now electron is not a physically spinning. It has an intrinsic angular momentum as if it were spinning. So spinning angular momentum is actually relativistic effect. So see here, the mu spins are there. Okay, and the classical model of electron spin in is the electron spinning one. It exists. The magnitude of spin angular momentum is S is equals to root 3 by 2 into h cut, where h cut is the Planck constants are there. So see here, this is the electron spin. Now see here, the electron spin, electron moment characteristic associate with the spin of an electron has the values that mu spin it is equals to eh cat upon 2m. So this combination of constant is called the Bohr magneton, and mu b is equals to 9.27 into 10 raised to minus 24 joule upon Tesla. The electric magnetic moment, the total magnetic moment of atoms is the vector sum of the orbital and spin magnetic moment. Some examples are given in the table at right. The magnetic moment of proton or neutron is much smaller. That of an electron can usually be neglected. See here, atoms or iron magnetic moment. How much is that? When the value of H is equal to 9.27, helium has a zero values are there, neon has a zero value are there, C raised to 3 plus it has a 9.3, and YB raised to 3 plus 37.1 AKT moments are there.